Hi guys, long time no see. We are heading to Palm Springs, California for Vong and I's birthday celebration. So we will be there for about a few days and we will take you along with us. We're going to go to Universal Studios, the escape room. We really only have a few days to kill. That's my brother. He's going to be house sitting. So I will see you here in a bit. Daddy went, let's go to baggage claim.
Where'd that
go? Okay, we just made it to Palm Springs. It's not too bad here. It's supposed to be like a heat warning or something, but it's not too bad at all. It's a little muggy though, but it's definitely not dry heat. It's more humid. It is super muggy out here. It feels so nasty. I took out my sweater and I ran into my coworker. Small world. My son noticed him. He was standing right behind my husband at the rental car area, and you know, he kept looking over, and then I was like, well, it looks like him, but I wasn't sure. And then I got closer, we waved and spoke a little bit. So that was cool. I sent a picture to my boss, but you know, it's midnight, so he probably won't get it until tomorrow. Okay, here's my son. He was just talking about how he had lots of fun at homecoming, and he said he actually danced. So, ready?
No.
All right.
Stop.
I like to embarrass him. Anyway, we're waiting for Dina, who just got off the plane. She took a separate plane, and they're getting the baggage, or her suitcase at baggage claim right now. This is a fairly small airport, so I can kind of see them, I think, but they're on their way out. Wow, they're really interacting. Selfies, just looking creepy. Okay, here's a view of our resort where we're staying. Well, we have a timeshare that we inherited from my parents, but here's their pond. I don't know if this is the lazy river, but there is a lazy river here, and then there's a basketball court. I don't know, I think that's like also a badminton, pickleball, tennis court as well. I believe that's what the front desk said last night. And then through the trees there is the pool area. There's a Starbucks, but yeah, no, it's pretty nice. We were actually relocated to Indio. We were originally supposed to stay in Palm Springs, but Indio is like 20 minutes away. But look how pretty that is. It's nice and toasty out here this morning too. like a lazy river there. And Christian and Dina are at the marketplace. So it's kind of like a convenience store here at the timeshare. I'm here lounging. There's not really any sun. So it's pretty cooled down. It's shortly past 4 p.m. So I'm just here kind of chilling and waiting for my kids to come back, and then I think we're gonna take a dip in the pool. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, I forgot, but this timeshare has everything. We have grills here, not only here, but they're all located in here. And this is where like the gaming area, business center, weight room is. I'll go inside and let you guys see. This is the Lazy River Marketplace, and we do have our own Starbucks, but it's kind of like mixed in with like a small cafe type. Let me show you. So they have everything here. Like you can shop for swimwear, and then they have like a small marketplace here and some booze. It's pretty cool. Candy and ice cream. So here's another view. This is like a really nice veranda with some shade, and then they all have their own brushes to clean the grills. And then this is a pretty good outdoor seating area here. So let's go in. Massage area here, and you need a key card to access the business center. And this is the pool place and the arcade, some table tennis, and there's some vending machines here too in case you want to get anything to eat. And I can't go in there because I have flip-flops on, but that's where the workout room is. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I got this new suit at Bea Label, I think it's called. It's actually pretty nice. I'm feeling it. A little more cleavage than I would like to show, but it actually fits really well. Keeps them in, and it sucks in my stomach, so which I love. Are you serious?
Yeah. That's why everyone has their own towel. We have to put it back in the dirty pile.
Okay, I guess I'll wash it.
No, you don't have to wash it. It's on the ground. Oh, we're gonna use it again tomorrow.
Oh, my right. Oh, God.
Huh?
My right leg is numb.
Yep, I'm still in the lazy river because the lights are on now, and I felt like it would be cooler. We were gonna head back to our unit and decided to stay back. So I got my son and my husband there. Whoa, I'm gonna bump the side. My son is like way past us, but maybe you'll get a good view of him. So there he is. Check you guys later while I relax.